The Israeli Prime Minister's office has claimed that the full implementation of the withdrawal agreement is yet to be ensured. According to the statement, the withdrawal of Israeli forces is contingent on the deployment of the Lebanese army and strict adherence to the terms of the agreement. As per the agreement, Hezbollah fighters and Israeli troops are to withdraw from southern Lebanon by 4 a.m. Monday, followed by the deployment of the Lebanese army in the region. In another development, the United Nations has suspended its operations in Houthi-controlled areas of Yemen after reports of staff members being detained. This move highlights the growing tension in the region, further complicating humanitarian efforts. Israeli police and Red Cross vehicles have gathered outside Offer prison in the occupied West Bank, as preparations are underway for the release of a second group of Palestinian prisoners. This move is part of a ceasefire agreement between Israel and Hamas. Hamas has indicated that it expects approximately 200 prisoners to be freed in today's exchange. A list of the prisoners slated for release has reportedly been made public. Under the terms of the ceasefire deal, Israel has agreed to release 50 Palestinian prisoners for every Israeli soldier freed by Hamas, and 30 prisoners for every civilian hostage released. This exchange marks a significant step in the ongoing efforts to de-escalate tensions and address the humanitarian aspects of the conflict. The release operation is being closely monitored, with both sides emphasizing the importance of adhering to the agreed-upon terms. The involvement of the Red Cross highlights the international community's role in facilitating the process and ensuring the safe return of individuals on both sides. This development comes amid heightened hopes for further progress in negotiations and a potential pathway toward lasting peace in the region. Hostage Square in Tel Aviv is unusually quiet today as preparations begin for the anticipated return of 4 young women soldiers who were taken from a military base near the Gaza border on October 7, 2023. The square, a symbolic gathering place for families and supporters of hostages, is set to welcome the families of both previously released hostages and those still held captive in Gaza. According to international media reports, Denmark has, for the first time, filed charges against 2 individuals under a new law criminalizing the desecration of the Holy Quran. The accused allegedly desecrated the Quran during a public festival in June 2023, an act that was live-streamed on social media. Authorities have not disclosed the identities of the accused, but confirmed that the act was carried out publicly, gathering political, social, and economic figures during the event. This comes after multiple incidents of Quran desecration in Denmark and Sweden, prompting Denmark to pass a law on December 7, 2023, banning such acts. The law, which came into effect shortly after its approval, imposes heavy fines or up to 2 years of imprisonment for violators. This case marks the first prosecution under the new legislation, drawing significant international attention. According to international media, winter has caused record-breaking devastation in the southern states of America. Florida has witnessed the heaviest snowfall in its history, with up to 25 centimeters of snow accumulating. In Beaumont, Texas, 15 centimeters of snow has been recorded. The snowstorm and extreme cold in the Gulf of Mexico, states of Alabama, Georgia, Texas, and Florida have claimed the lives of 10 people so far. The severity of the weather has paralyzed daily life, with power outages leaving millions in the dark. Several flights have been canceled due to the snowstorm, and icy roads have led to a dangerous increase in accidents. Local authorities have advised residents to stay indoors and avoid unnecessary travel. Experts suggest that this is a clear sign of climate change, which has gripped the southern states. The current situation indicates that the weather conditions may worsen, prompting calls for urgent measures. Local residents say they have never seen such heavy snowfall in their lives, presenting them with a new challenge. The government has intensified rescue and relief operations in the affected areas, but bad weather is hampering efforts. This situation is proving to be an extraordinary and dangerous weather event for the southern states, requiring immediate action to bring it under control.